What's up, you guys? Hello? Not too sure about my sound. Is it like too low? Hmm. Just worried about background noise right now. All right. Let's hop on the charts, y'all. Today I'm here alone. Guyver is at the gym right now. This morning I fell asleep, so I couldn't come on the 5 a.m. session. So yeah. Sleep schedule is rough, guys. It's rough. It's rough. Give me a second, guys. Let me have some preparation. 190 pips. Downtime's order is at negative 30 pips, but that's okay. Evening session. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. This is not really evening. I'm a little early today. Usually we'd be here at 6 o'clock, but yeah. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? Give me a second, guys. Let me switch my accounts. We on live right now. We on live. What's up, everybody? Guys, if you guys can hear any random background noise, please tell me so that I can, fix that for you guys. I'm gonna be posting the YouTube link in our Telegram. Give me a second, guys. And then we'll come and analyze the charts together. All right. Oh, if you guys can hear the Telegram sound, sorry about that. Haha. Let me get some things done, set up real quick, guys, and then I'll get back to you. Sun is still out. It's bright. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody is doing mighty fine in today. YouTube live. Let me post this real quick. Post at everyone. I'm a little shy, guys, whenever I add everybody, but gotta have some balls in this market, right, guys? Oh yeah, I slept so well, bro. Like, did Guyver tell you about it? Dude, I literally, so we went off live 1 to 4 that night. Yeah, dude, like, it's so embarrassing. Like, so this morning, right after I got off live with Guyver, I was like, yo, I can't do this, bro. I'm gonna go to sleep. And I hit the bed instantly, bro. I went to go brush my teeth and hit the bed. Right? I was like, yo, I'm getting a suspicious amount of sleep today, yo. This is really weird. I literally get up so fucking fast, check my phone, and it's 9:30 in the morning, yo. I fell asleep for 5 hours, and then I check on Guyver. It's like, yo, where the hell's Guyver? This dude has just got off live because he also woke up late, you know. So like, I felt so bad, but it's okay, guys. He covered for me in this morning. Right now, he's going to the gym, so I'm covering for him today at this evening session. Were you here this morning? 我是青岛. I don't know. I don't know how to read it. It's in Chinese, right? I've learned some Chinese, but I'm not really good at Chinese. So, what's up, everybody? How's everybody doing in this mighty fine evening? So, guys, as you can see this on the lower time frame or the high time frame too as well, we broke out of the uptrend, right? But there is still no clear change of structure on the on the higher time frame. Shai Yeah, that what does that mean, bro? So there's no clear break change of character on the uptrend here on the higher time frame, right? There's an insane imbalance that needs to be filled, right? And an order block here. So let's see what gold wants to do. But on the lower time frames, it has confirmed a change of structure over here, right? Where we create a lower low and failed to create a higher high. So, and it also created a second lower low and a lower high. So we can safely call this a change of structure and look for mainly sell orders today. We'll see what we want to do. We'll see, guys. I'm actually looking at this area up here to sell. Up at about 91 to like 93, 94 ish. Our zones will be kind of big today because, you know, it's pre-US session trading. So it's not scalping like in late night session and Asia session, right? So, yo, what's up? 我是青岛. Are you? Did you manage to catch today's live 5 a.m.? How are you still here? Are you like not sleepy at all? What's up? Evening, everybody. Evening. So yeah, this morning I think Guyver bagged about 194 pips in his live stream, and we gave a downtime order in between lives, and it did hit stop loss, but that's okay. It's only a 30 pip scalping session or a scalping order, but you know, we're still up overall today. So it's la calm. What's up, everybody? Hey, whoever just tuned into the live stream, you can drop a what's up. We can talk. We can have nice chit chat, yo. If you guys want any questions, y'all go ahead and ask. You know, I'm here. We all here. We gave these buy limits in the Telegram too, sell limits. It has not been tapped yet because these zones are quite far and quite big. It's been sidewaysing in between this little 100 pip range for the past couple hours, you know. So yeah, I don't know what gold wants to do right now, but we can clearly tell that it has changed structure and is now breaking out to the downside on the lower time frames. But if you look at the higher time frames, we are of course still on uptrend, right? So we'll see, guys. We'll see. Let's be patient. We're traders, of course, right? I had a friend. I had a homie in here. I'm just about to finish work and you're starting your stream. Perfect timing. Hey, W, bro, W. I came a little early today because I do want to end the live stream early as well. Not exactly early. I'm going to do the complete 3-hour live stream, but I do have some things to set up because, wait, guys, this is a surprise. But like, look. Let me show you guys. So a package just arrived. It is a studio lighting, basically. I'm gonna be remodeling the room. I'm gonna be basically changing my setup so you guys will see my face clearer. The cameras are about to arrive, so me and Gavin are gonna have new cameras. Studio lighting, but mine arrived first because I am not as far away from the city as him. So yeah, check it out, y'all. I have yet to set it up or, you know, take it out. So It's gonna be right there next to me. So that's why I'm a little live early today, and also I've slept a lot more than Guyver. So yeah, I'm pumped up, y'all. I'm pumped up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. So back on the charts, guys, we can clearly see that we changed structure. If we all know what a change of structure, if we don't know what a change of structure is, look who is awake. What's up, Guyver? Guyver, check it, bro. Check it. The studio lighting is here, bro. Look. You know, I asked the lady. The lady called, right? I was expecting the cameras to arrive first. The lady calls like, "Yo, is the package big?" I asked, "Is the package big?" She says, "Nah, it's not big. This is not big. Shit barely fit through my gate, yo." Yeah. Little bro is locked in, you know. He covered for me in the morning. I'ma cover him for him tonight, yo. We gonna be back together at 1 to 4 a.m. exactly. Uh, if how are you doing live with less than 1K subs, yo? Honestly, uh, you can live when you're 0 subs too, you know. Are you talking about how, like, you know, like TikTok has restrictions on not being able to live? Yeah, it's not TikTok, so you guys don't worry. You don't worry about that. Mr. Spob, is that like Bob with an S or something? Yeah, we started from 0 subscribers, yo. Actually, this little zone that I drew out has been barely tapped, and immediately went up by about 40 pips. So don't worry, guys. I'm gonna find new zones for us to enter. But if you guys ask me on what I'm looking at, is that I am looking at for cells right now, guys. Cells are looking mad sexy in this market structure right now with this change of structure or change of character. Are you going to Zoom? I'm gonna be for real. I don't got like a gazillion triple monitor setup, so like, I'm not gonna be able to get Zoom today. Yeah, our Zoom, and plus, the Zoom is not my turn this time. Where the only time me and Gabber takes Zoom is about 1 to 4 a.m. And what's up, Gorn? You're here extra early today, huh? What's up, everybody? It's nice. It's nice everybody's here today. Very heartwarming. Yeah, already 200 pips today. Well, technically almost 200 pips because our follow by order did hit SL, but it's okay. We did bag a bunch of profits, so it was like something like that, you know. So about 164 pips. In this live stream, let's get 100 pips, yo. Lil bro Guyver broke the fucking bank with almost 200 pips, 6 pips away from 200 pips, right? That's double our daily goal. I'm gonna go to the gym, but ain't got a YT premium. Yo, you and Guyver are going to the gym at the same time, yo. Nice. Y'all locked in like that, huh? Twin? Twin, where have you been? Dude, right now volume is quite slow. If you guys see this, right, these candle wicks are hella sidewaysing, yo. It's like just really just slowly up, down, up. It has unclear market structure right now, but let's see if we can milk out these you know, profits either way, yo. It's chill. We're chilling, yo. No matter what, if you spend enough time in front of the graphs, you're gonna learn how to adapt, right, guys? Today is, guys, if you guys look outside, right, outside my window, it's like raining and stuff, you know. It's like, it was very gloomy, but it's okay. Excuse me, guys. Let me do something on my phone, so I might go quiet for a couple seconds. Watch out. I'ma find you. Chill out, little bro. Guyver is a tank, yo. He's a big boy. Dude, he told me, yo, punch me in the arm. I gave him like 50% and he said that didn't hurt, bro. He said, alright, I'm gonna punch you 20-second back, right? I screamed like a little bitch, bro. So, bro's got hella strength, yo.
Congratulations.
Hey, whoever's new to the live stream that just arrived, y'all, if y'all don't mind, hit that like button. It's free, of course. Also, our signals here are free. Right now we're being patient and waiting for structure or market to have a clear move, so that we can catch that move and enter the market. Right now, market is moving quite slow. It's probably because of pre-session opens. So, U.S. session does open in about an hour and 10 minutes. Yeah, let's look at Forex Factory. Let's see if there's any news today. Ooh, 7:30. Orange envelope at 9 p.m. Damn. Fed Chair Powell speaks. Oh shit. That's okay. If you guys are curious on how we analyze news, right? We have a coach named Coach Ball. He's one of the OG coaches on this community, and this dude, he wakes up every single morning to analyze news for you guys. You know, so that's an extra perk that you guys get in the Discord, which is kind of nice. W Gaming, yo. You know, not many people know about economic indicators, right? That's more fundamental analysis, right? Most people would want to focus on technical analysis, how candlesticks move, price action, right? But if you're trading gold, economic analysis is really important, guys, because you will have crazy moves with gold when certain economic indicators do come out as unexpected. So yeah, watch out, everybody. For whoever is here that's from the community, guys, if you guys want me to speak a little slower, I can. But if not, then that's okay. I'm sure everybody, you know, can. Got everybody straight, right, guys? Y'all straight? Sorry, I keep forgetting to label the zones I mark out, yo. Dude, Guyver keeps bashing me about it, you know? It's kind of funny. But yeah. We can see a little equal support zone has been retested a couple times and never broke through. So if we are going to enter buys, I'm going to enter buys down here. If he keeps sidewaysing, of course. But I have a feeling that it's going to come down, go up a little bit. Let's like, you know, and then it's going to break through. I have a feeling it's going to do that. I don't know who draw this line, but like, fuck out of here. What the hell? What the helly? Let's see what we can do today. How many pips are we gonna bag? Let me see if there's any off-schedule news today. Actually, I wonder if any other coaches are live right now. Actually, you know what? I have ADHD, guys. I don't know why I'm asking multiple questions at the same time, yo. I gotta chill out. Okay, one at a time, yo. Off-schedule news. Let me go look at it, just in case, you know, anything's gonna happen. Nothing so far. Economic calendar. Today is the 22nd June, right? June. What? 22nd? Why does this say 21st? Alright, anyways, let me read out what's happening. So, when Mr. Fed Powell speaks, overall gold outlook is that if Fed Powell signals relaxation and the Richmond index is lower than expected, gold is likely to rise. But if Powell signals a tough stance and the number comes out better than expected, gold may weaken. Okay. Uh, so basically, if the announcement comes out higher than expected, then it reflects improving economy. So gold goes down, guys. Dollar strengthens, gold goes down. And if lower than expected, people will have less confidence in the economy, and you know, gold goes up. I can only listen right now, walking and going home at the same time, or walking home at the same time. Yeah. Today is July 22nd. I'm sorry. Yeah. This was forecasted yesterday. So okay. Sky is getting dark too. Looks like it's gonna rain. Yeah, for me it rained earlier, but it only drizzled very slightly. Hey, Mrs. Warita, you're back again. Do you enjoy the global channel? By the way, guys, I have a question for everybody here that's here. So me and Guyver are trying to live stream, right? Or live streaming, right? And because we feel like we might have certain issues when we do go live, right? Maybe it's our professionalism. Is it because we joke too much? Is it because we maybe talk too much? Is it the way we talk? Is it the production? If you guys have any advice that you guys want to see us change? Is it the angles? Is it maybe some music? Because I'm sure we give W trades anyways, right? But I want to hear what you guys have, the feedback that you guys give us from watching us go live every single day for the past month ish, almost month. If you guys have any criticism, constructive criticism to give us and me and Guyver, please do so. We're gonna try to change for you guys because as coaches, we want to be appealing to the viewers as much as possible, right?
What?
Is it the way I dress? Cause I'm trying my best. I really don't. So me as a person, right? I'm 19, of course. I'm not the type to wear formal clothing, right? Uh, so I'm more into like them H&M t-shirts, right? And like some baggy jeans,
Oh,
and
wait, hold on, hold on. Wait.
uh, yeah. Be the way you are that you will be. Enjoy to do this thing. Yeah, I enjoy doing this thing a lot. Me and Guyver, right? We talk about it every single time after we go live. Yo, today the community went crazy in the chat, yo. Like, we're so happy to be here all the time. We at first we started from being so we started from watching the people, or Coach Ploy, Coach Hami, Coach Liu, right? We started just from those regular viewers on live to being actually in the community to being one of the coaches. So honestly, if you guys ask me, I'm blessed to be here. I'm grateful. I go to church every Sunday. I go pray. If you guys aren't religious, you guys don't have to be. It's okay. No force, no pressure. But you guys need I feel like something you guys need in your life is something positive. Like especially when trading. Trading is a very emotional market, right? Very emotional business. Uh so you guys need something that lifts you up even in the darkest days. You might have losing days, but just know that in this community and in this channel, in everybody's channel in this community, we're always gonna be up, for real. So thank you, Miss Rarita. uh but be tuned though, we did say that last week that we're gonna have better production. We got our microphones, I got the lighting, all I need is the camera now. So I'm excited. I'm gonna switch up my desktop setup too. I'm gonna uh instead of just having an empty space in the back, right? I'm gonna have a wall. Maybe I'll put something up on the wall to make it look nice and appealing, right? For you guys. So right now market is kind of iffy. It's moving a little sideways, a little slow, right? For this past ooh, look at this sideways for the past how many minutes is this, yo? I don't even know, yo. It's like 30 minutes of just 20 pip moves. About yeah, about 30-40 pip move in between this. So right now we cannot really get any order. Even if we look for buys or sells, there's no point. So I think I'm gonna be waiting for a lower zone down here to buy at about 84 to 83, 84.5 ish to 83. With stop loss below here about 82.5. So there's a 200 point stop loss, and I'm gonna be looking to sell up here, maybe at the end of the zone, because this is quite a big zone. It's not really that big, but like, you know, the sideways is making it look kind of big. But if you guys ask me, what I'm looking at is that I'm looking for sell orders, because look, we did have a breakout out of this trend line, retested, and not exactly retested, but close to it, and immediate rejection of about 100 pips. So, and a rejection up here at this 30-minute hidden candle, and another rejection. So higher high, higher high, or no, sorry, a high, higher high, a low, created a lower low down here, and then a lower high, and a second lower low. That's our absolute confirmation, yo. So this is our change of character, right? And this is our continued break of structure, right, to the downside, basically. So if you guys think that one lower low, or sorry, yeah, a lower low is not enough confirmation that the trend is changing, you guys can wait for a retrace and a second lower low, and that's your confirmation that the graph is likely going to be going down instead of up. That's what I learned in the trading course that I took with Coach Liu as my mentor. For me and Guyver, we took about a couple months to actually it took us about a week to finish the trading course, a week and a half or week-ish. That was us like studying it for like 6 hours a day, because we were so locked in. We were so excited to be able to have this opportunity, right? And then it took us about a month of forward testing, back testing, to finally be able to be in this position. So I think if you guys just lock in for a bit, you know, I think y'all can make it. Mind you, this is about 1.5 months of technical, like, you know, abilities, and the year before was us being absolutely emotional in the market, yo. I swear we blew so much accounts left and right that it's crazy, you know. So we're here though. We haven't given up. We still believe that trading is a way to, I don't know, a way to be a way for longevity, you know what I mean? Yeah, you guys know that word? Basically, with the right emotions, right money management, right mindset, you guys can stay in this market forever, and it could possibly be your full-time job, you know what I mean? So yeah, wonder if there's any returning viewers today. I know Warita is here. I know 我是 King Dao. I know Wichakarn. Not sure about Spob. Gold is quite slow today, guys. I wonder how little bro got big orders in the morning, yo. In the morning live session was about 12 hours ago, right? I mean, yeah, actually, you know what? Makes sense. That's fire, bro. Guyver is actually really crazy at trading, yo. I'll be for real. This dude wakes up and gets on the graph. By the way, I wake up and start scratching my nuts and going to the toilet, you know, to go shower. This dude is in class looking at the graph. You know, I'm in class struggling to do accounting terms. By the way. So all right, let's wait. Right now, gold is really slow. It's like it's testing our patience, guys. You know, if you guys look at this, bro, gold isn't moving that much at all. Like, it's really choppy, guys. Price action is not it today, huh? But don't worry, guys. If today there's no trades, that is okay. We'll just wait for the next day. Who knows? Maybe in between downtimes we have an order, and plus we gonna be back at 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. And hopefully, since I'm gonna be here for another like 2-ish hours, maybe US session will kick in some volume for me, that I can, grab some orders for you guys. But right now, let's chill. Let's chill. Let's chit chat a little bit. Let's chill. Chit chat, chit chat. My desk is hella messy because I keep bringing stuff to come up and eat food with me. But like, you guys don't see that, so. Well, make sure you guys sanitize too. Get some Dettol. Boom. Clean hands, guys. There's nothing much we can do right now on the graph other than really just be patient and find something to do, because the graph isn't moving that much right now. Waiting for our US session to open, guys. So guys, do you guys think I should change my hairstyle? Guyverse tells me to shave it off, but I love my afro. I love, like, there's not much people rocking the Black Power hairstyle right now, so I'm gonna just rock this because it's really long right now. It took me about a week or a year to grow this out. A year ish and a half to grow this out. So I want to rock my afro, guys. I've been told to completely shave it off. I think I'm gonna braid it. Yeah, in like the future, maybe in a month or something. I'm gonna get some braids. Y'all can, look at your really cool coach. So yeah. Ooh, the alcohol smells good. What the hell? Whoa. I'm sure there's not much things to do right now, especially when the graphs look like this. So, ooh. I mean, damn. Literally, price is not breaking below anything, yo. It's not even moving. It was like this last week too, But this on yesterday, there was a crazy ass up move. So, yeah. On Monday, this is what we had to trade, yo. Crazy up move in one day since the morning. And this is what we're trading in the afternoon on Tuesday. So, haha. Let's see what gold wants to do. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, our 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. session, that is where I go speak Thai with Guyver, by the way. I'm not the best at Thai. I really suck at Thai, guys. But if you guys want to laugh at me and if you want to change the hairstyle, you may get some advice from a cool barber. Yeah. Like, it's the thing is that curly hair products is not really like common in Thailand. So if I did want to get cool curly hair products and a cool barber here, right, then I would have to spend hella money, like really a lot of money every month, like a lot of fucking money. A little bottle, like about this big. I can go to the toilet and grab it for you guys, but I don't want to leave you guys here, right? It's about this big, right? And I spent about 500 baht on that, and I used it for 2 weeks. Imagine having to buy hair cream, conditioner, shampoo, right? Oh, conditioner and shampoo. You don't really it lasts pretty long, right, for us. But hair cream, hair oil, and curl styler, right? That shit busts your wallet, yo. If you have to renew it every 2 weeks, So What's up, Alpha Mango Gaming? What's good, bro? Do you see gold price action today? This shit makes me want to go back to sleep, yo. I was already sleeping since 1 to 4 or 5 to 8 a.m., yo. Like, damn. How you feeling? How you feeling today, yo? How's your day been so far? Oh, look, that's a pretty good move, yo. 120 12 pips, not bad. From this little sideways support down here. This 1 minute sideways, guys. If you guys did want to enter in this zone, like this will be super risky, but like it's not even like risking like anything, yo. Stop loss below here, tapped in stop loss. About a 7. Let's say 100. Let's say 10 pip stop loss, yo. Like, and then targeting previous liquidity, yo. I did not give this order because it could just come down, stop us out, and go up. But let's just chill out for now, guys.
Do we have like 4 stacks?
I lost my challenge account yesterday. Uh, this motherfucker got me revenge trading. Yeah, is it because of the up move? Were you in sell orders yesterday and then you were just keep trying to sell? I had there was people here in the community yesterday that was telling us that they were stuck selling at like 3360. Some said, so it is quite rough yesterday. Don't worry about it. Just make sure you learn from. Yeah, you were in sales. I get it. Just Alpha Mango, I think the advice that I can give you is that especially when market is moving up like that, you only sell at major resistance zones, like major zones, you know what I mean? If there's not enough confluences for you to not sell, then I suggest that if market wants to move one direction, you just follow that market, you know? It's okay though. Take this don't take this as an L. Take this L for not for loss though. L is for lesson, yo. That's how I think about it. L is always for lesson and not loss, by the way. Because every single loss is a lesson for you guys, you know? So that's how I always think about it. I'm trying to be a positive person, right? We'll try another account soon, but to be honest, I learned that we need to be in the bias. Yeah. Find your daily bias, know where market wants to move, follow that market. Do not because we're not the ones moving the market. We're the ones trying to make profit out of the market movers. So if we disrespect them, we're gonna get absolutely ankle broken, yo, for real. It's fine, Alpha Mango. Take a break from trading. Reset your mindset. Uh, take a breather. Take a chill pill. Don't worry about it. At least it is not your capital, right? It is a funded account, so you shouldn't worry too much about how much. How big was the funded account? You said. Yeah, gold tapped into this 1 minute support. I could have took this trade, but unfortunately I missed it. So no worries, guys. Let's wait for another zone. I expect. You know what? If gold's sideways in between this 1 minute like little zone here, it's gonna be crazy, yo. But I have a feeling it's just gonna break out, and then let's try to sell up here at this 30-minute hidden candle up here. So sorry, 15-minute, not 30-minute. If it's 30-minute, it should be up here. that narrows our zone down a little bit more. Oh, another rejection off this resistance up here. I wanted to break out of this little sideways because I really don't want to be trading about 20 pips each time. Tomorrow I'm going to be going in the morning. If I really don't sleep, I'm gonna be going to see my friend, and then I'm gonna go to the gym as well. So let's see if I can make it home in time for the 6 p.m. live stream.
Chemo, 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 chemo.
Excuse me, guys. Give me a second, yo. I gotta check out my DMs real quick. Excuse the silence. Hmm.
What? Walk out again. Sorry, Mike.
All right.
What do you mean?
I hope nobody's getting bored yet, guys. Nobody's getting bored. Okay, I'm back, guys. Guys, gold is failing to break out of this price range. So it seems like this little resistance zone is holding, but still on the lower time frame, which is still high risk. I'm still looking to sell up here at about 90 zones to about 92. 90 to 92 and a stop loss at 94. Previous liquidity up here. Right there. I like to find safe zones. I don't really like to take dumb entries in between here with just those short little small confluences, because this is not scalping. This is not Asia session or late night session, right? This is pre-US session. So I do want to take big moves, sniper entries. So I want to see if I can get a nice entry up here and hopefully create a lower low off this move, yo. Look. So I was thinking bang, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom, kajam. It's been retested once. I want to retest it again. Hopefully it does not break through, right? That's why if it does break through, I have a stop loss up here. It does break through, means that it is officially changed character again up to the upside. As you can see, right? This is a high. This is a low. This is a somewhat protected low. This will be a minor change of structure or change of character. But if it's an actual change of character, it would have to break up this previous high. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. This is the move I'll be looking at, right? And then it's going to come get a buy limit down here at about 76. So let's see if we can catch this move, y'all. Enjoy with friends. No need to worry about the investors much. That's true. I just want to be able to come in, like get to know the community more. You know what I mean? Because we are still new coaches. I've only been here for a month. Uh, I don't really know how to type in Thai, so I don't type too much into the Discord, right? And because I'm here for the to extend the community globally, to invite more, you know, more people into our community, because most foreigners are used to the fact that it's just a one-sided signals channels, right? In other trading scenes, I want them to enjoy the same benefits that us Thai people will get in the Ninja Map community, So we mapping it out, yo. We mapping it out. Thank you so much, Miss Warita. You're so nice. Everybody here is so nice. But that's a good thing about this channel, is that we got two people, so that we can help each other out. Me and Guyver, we help each other out a lot. Uh, if I miss one session, I most likely have to cover the next session so that he can go live his life a little bit, right? I'm more into editing content. He's more into handling the handling the signals and 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 whatnot. So yeah, we have our divided jobs and stuff. So I don't know. It's really fun to work with one of your friends, because me and Gabber, we've known each other for like 10+ years, yo. Me and homie here, we've watched each other growing up, yo. And it just so happened to the fact that we both love trading and content creation, yo. I love content creation. I'm really good in front of the camera. I'm the type of dude to like really show out my emotions. I love showing my emotions, right? I'm the type of dude to just dish it out, yo. Like, boom, you feel? So, yeah. Okay, guys. You know what? Since the orders are a little empty right now, if it comes retest at 87, 88.7, let's take a sell order here, and our first take profit down here with about a 10 pip stop loss. So we're gonna do this, and then a stop loss at 89.7. Order one night session. Scalp sell. We are not in this order yet, guys. We're gonna wait for a retrace first, by the way. Oh, it looks like it has left without us, but it's okay. Let's still wait for that retrace at 3388.7. SL at 3389.7. TP1, only one TP, guys. I suggest just one order here at 86.7. Let's try to get 20 pips, yo. 1 to 2 RR. Cause the market is not moving at all. You can see this big ass candle, but really it's just a what? About a 6 pip move, yo. It really isn't that big. Okay, guys, if this order does not come and get us, we're gonna be buying down here instead. But it seems like it's not gonna come retrace, so let's cancel this, and let's take a buy down here, guys. I believe that this sideways is still gonna hold strong. Oh, immediate rejection, guys. We're buying around at 87-ish with stop loss at about 86, guys. So if you guys are not greedy, you guys can enter the markets right now. Yep, I got my order at 87, guys. We're gonna be taking profits at about same place, 88.7. Scalp. Let's just change this. Scalp by 87. This is a 100 point, aka 10 pip stop loss. 88.7. This is a 17 pip 1 to 1.7 RR, guys. It's not much, but it's still an order, guys. Am I right? You know, I'm trying my best. I'm in this order right now. I got my order at about 87.1 ish due to little spreads, right? So it did tap our order. So I got my order up here, right? I'm in this order right now. You guys don't have to enter with me if you guys don't want to, because this is like, it's a little short scalping. Sideways is like not too much profits, but it's still profits, you know. Yeah, well, let's wait for TP1, Mr. Unknown QC. Or unknown QC. Only one order, guys. I'm putting only one order for this trade, guys. So 1 TP. Let's see if this zone holds, guys. Literally, it's just in this little sideways. You can see it's been retested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then bounced up. 1, bounced down. 2, bounced down. Let's see if it goes back up to TP1. Where am I from? You guys, I am half Thai, half Sudanese. So my dad is African. And I am half Asian. My mom is Thai.
Yeah, I think that sounds like where it's going. Like there's just a whole bunch of nothing going on.
Because I have a little bit of Arab Arab lineage. My name is Amir, and in my language, Arabic, Amir means prince or like rich person or person of loyalty, you know, so or royalty, you know, so yeah. Very ironic, huh?
I don't think I am.
Prince, I don't think I look like a prince, guys. So this order is in profits, guys, about like 7 pips. We're waiting for TP one all the way up here. This is about 1 to 1.7 RR. Low rejection, but no problem. We're chilling. Gold isn't moving too much. I'm just trying to find an order for you guys to like a little test candle, right, for you guys. My order is in blues right now, guys. About it came down, so I'm about 3 pips in profits. I got my order at about 87.1. I did say 87, but I'm gonna count from what I got, so you know, just to be more transparent. I don't want to lie to you guys how much profits we do make.
No.
Hey, but whatever layers you guys get, you know, you guys counted from that, right? That's great. Right now, our community is about like undergoing like a little bot changing, because we do have a personal like one of our coaches actually built a bot to give out signals in the Discord, you know, which is crazy good. Yo, Mr. Varun Deep Singh, if you don't have if you haven't joined our Telegram, please do. By the way, yeah, you're welcome to join. It's free. It's just scan the bottom right. If not, oh, what's up, Levitine? Hey, what's good? Scan the bottom right. Just join our Discord, yo. What's up, Levitine? Yo, have you seen gold today? It is not moving, yo. Gold is not moving today, yo. It's really testing our patience. Yeah, we're this is a little test candle. I'm sure 100 pip stop or 10 pip stop loss is not too much for you, right? Let's sell down here at 80. Yeah. Get in for about a 17 pip W. Is not a lot, but profits is profits, right? Am I right, guys? How you doing, Levantine? Did you just wake up? Were you here in the morning at 5 to 8 a.m. with Coach Guyver? Did he tell you that I'm dead asleep? It'd be your own, you know. It'd be your own homies, bruh, for real. Whoever's new to the channel too, please hit that subscribe button if you guys want to get more W signals like this. Uh, it does help support us, as in like give us energy to come back every day and live stream for you guys, because really just like usually we'd have like 5 to 10 viewers. No, I start the day with Ploy. Oh, that's nice, dude. Which means you get barely any sleep too, huh? You're here from 1 to 4 a.m. with us. You went to sleep, for example. Ah, yeah. She was here at like 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. I think she just went down, right? Wait, you got 20 viewers today? Yes, sir. Yo, today is very nice, bro. Very nice. I'm happy, bro. Usually, oops, I hit my microphone. Usually when there's like 5 people, right? We have like it's like returning viewers, so it's still very nice. I'm still happy to talk to the 5 viewers. They type in chat all the time. But the more the merrier, guys. Don't worry about typing to the chats. Yo, I'll read every single one. Cause I love talking. I be yapping all the time, yo, for real. Okay, guys, we're waiting for TP1. We were about 10 pips in profit just now, but a little rejection. No problem. No problem. We look calm, guys. We nonchalant today. In trading, we must be nonchalant. Let me just look at my order real quick. TP is at about 88.7, not 89, sorry. I have a bad habit of looking at previous liquidity as TPs. A crazy push down, but it's okay, guys, because it does not pass the 1 minute support zone down there. Good morning, Kawanor World. Hey, good morning. Where are you at, bro? Be nonchalant with that girl too. Yo, how do you know about that, bro? Oh, I forgot you were here when we were talking about it. Yeah, bro. NY. Ooh. Yeah. What's up, bro? Kawanor World. Canadian. What are you saying, bro? Guyver, you okay? You tripping? NY. Good morning. Are you 6:30? Are you like preparing to go to work or something? How you up so early trading? The New York session is in 30 minutes, guys. It's 7 p.m., but it's still bright out, It's really weird. It's not usually it gets dark at 6 p.m. here all the time, So I don't even know though. Maybe it's Kawanor World. Yeah, maybe. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Cohen. Oh. Cohen. You know what? Never mind. I'm tripping, bro. Who else is streaming tonight? If Coach Liu recovers, there's gonna be Coach after this, I think. There's going to be Coach There's gonna be Coach Liu if she recovers from her fever in time, and then Coach Hummy, and then there's gonna be I'm not sure about Coach Nguyen. Yeah. I haven't locked down his schedule yet. I think it is about 10 p.m. though, 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. And then there's me and Guyver at 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. So you're. Hey, volume is back, but knowing that it's a little bit iffy because of this sideways, this zone is like literally just a 10 pip zone. It really isn't that volatile at all. Now it's just sidewaysing in between, above our entry right now. So, ooh, testing our patience for real. Testing our patience for real. But it's calm. We got the look calm patience, guys. Don't worry. We should low key scroll on Instagram reels while we wait. I'm just kidding, guys. You know, we should. It really do be that damn phone sometimes. You know, like when you're not on the charts, turn off the phone, look outside into the sky. It really do be nice. You know, I saw a rainbow the other day after it rained. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. His zone is just being rejected on off of like again and again and again. Okay, guys, if it does come to 80.88, let's take our first partial profit there. It's only 10 pips, but profit is profit, guys. Wait, what the hell? Okay, if you guys want to take your partials, you can take it right now. But I'm gonna be waiting at TP. So we have TP1. I'm gonna call it TP 0.5 because it's halfway there. TP 88 exactly. Wait, no, let me get the tick emoji, guys. Tick emoji. Kading. This is a 10 pip. Hey, 10 pip profits, guys. W, right? Slowly but steadily, right, guys? Oh, never mind. We didn't even have to do that, guys. Look, straight to TP1, y'all. W's in the chat. This is a 17 pip recap. Recap. Plus 17 pips. W order, guys. W order. Very nice. Very sexy. This order is complete, guys. We got 17 pips. Let me recap that real quick. I really wanted to break out this 1 minute sideways, by the way, guys, so I can get a sell order up there. Order 1 plus 17 pips. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, fire. Guys, what is 164 plus 17? 181.
What?
Okay. Bro have not changed his table yet. Bro. Literally, I woke up and started editing the video like immediately, by the way. Okay, Saibao. Let me take my time, yo. The background isn't even that bad too. It's a pretty big damn table, yo. Woke up late. Oh. I woke up, took a shower, ate food. That was about 2 p.m. ish, and after the whole time I was editing videos. And then yeah. Texting fine shit. What? What did he say? Who said that? Our next order is gonna be selling up here, guys. I think I want to sell up here. Order number 2. Selling 90 to 91, 92 at 3390, 3392. SL at previous liquidity of 9.4. TP1. Let's take it at 8.7. Do 8.7. TP2, we're gonna wait down here at the 15-minute hitting candle, right? About 8.4.5, but let's just say 8.4. TP3 is gonna be all the way down here at our buy limit at 76. Okay, guys. I typed out order 2 for you guys. If you guys ready to enter, get ready, y'all. We're about 5 pips away from our zone. We tapped into our zone, guys. If you guys want to sell, well, not exactly. We haven't tapped in. If you guys don't, be greedy. Yum yum is that what they call it in Thai? Don't be greedy, guys. It might even have a crazy rejection. You can see a little rejection off this zone already, right? It was at 89.8. If you guys want to get exactly at 89, you guys can wait, or at 90. Here, let me bring the order on screen for you guys. Let me go on the 5-minute actually. I think the 1 minute is a little bit too like ADHD moment. Who's sending 100s in the chat? Whoever is new to Telegram, guys, I would love to be the first community of Telegram that you guys would join. Feel free to scan the bottom right. It's free. Free signals, free live, free updates, free everything, yo. Like, it is free. Like, it's so chill, y'all. Just like, hit us up, yo. Got any questions you can ask here, or join Telegram, hit our at the FX side quest, and just join. Because why not, right? We got an instant rejection, by the way, guys, off this zone up here. Very nice, guys. Whoever got a nice entry at 89.8 is in profits right now. Ooh, big, guys. Big, very big.
Kill yourself.
You guys can wait for a higher layer if you want, around 92, if you guys don't want to have too much risk. But this is a 40 pip risk from our lowest layer, guys, so it is so chill, not that deep. Like, I can't believe this big move right here is 40 pips, by the way. That's how much the graph has been sidewaysing, by the way. Let's get it. Whoever got an order right now is in blues. If anybody else wants to wait, go ahead. I still think that it's gonna retrace a little bit more above the zone, because this is a little bit too precise tapping. Let's get on that 30-minute time frame real quick. Let's assess the situation. Yep, that's the zone, yo.
What?
Let's get it. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Actually, no, I have to do this. Yo, chop rice. Yo, what the hell? 89. No. 3390. Let's see. I want to see how many pips we can bag, because we're literally spending 9 hours of our time a day on the graph. There's no way we don't bag more than 100 pips a day, you know? Because so far we already bagged almost 200 pips. Yesterday we bagged. I low-key forgot how much did we bag yesterday. Let me check. How much did we bag? Okay, where's my recap? Is this last night? No, it's not. This 21st. Last night, how much did we get? Ooh, Coach CO, Ball CO got 425 pips on his live stream. Sheesh, bruv. Okay, for 21st, we got a total of.
I will.
Yo, fuck it. I don't know, bro. It was more than 200 points, that's for sure, though. I can't read this, yo. I'm retarded. If you guys don't have an order yet, you guys can wait. Where order 2 is, we're selling up here at the 90 zone with an SL up here at 94. 40 pip zone. Don't worry, guys. Not too much risk. Very sexy zone, in my opinion. We got instant rejection off the tab here, but I want to get a layer at 90 exactly. So I feel like it's still gonna retrace. It's still gonna go up. Don't worry about it. Not that deep, guys. Let's just wait. Let's chill out. Let's chill. None of our DZV zones has been hit. Not yet. Guys, we're in this order, by the way, guys. It's retap to our zone. If you guys have not have an order yet, you guys can enter the market right now. This order is active, everybody. First TP will be at 87, everybody. After our first TP, we're gonna break even, and this trade will have 0 risk. But of course, we're gonna have to hold until TP1. We're not gonna be scared. We're not gonna be, emotional. We're just gonna hold. Of course, low rejection off the top here. Highest it got was 90.5, 90.43. Shit, guys, I ran out of things to talk about. I'm really thinking about something to talk about right now. Shit. Let me think. Bro, tomorrow is my push day. I haven't had a push day in a really long time because I usually don't go to the gym. I can't go to the gym every day because, how do I decide where to set my TP? Let me answer bro's question. How do I decide where to set my TP? I look at support and resistance zones. As you guys can see, look, I'm selling up here at 90, right? So this is my resistance zone up here on the big 30-minute time frame. And if you can see on the lower time frames where price does not push past, right, multiple times is where my first TP is going to be. And then that's where I'm going to take my first take profit, right? If not, you guys can literally look at, like, for example, Fibonacci zones, right? We pull it up. Boom. As you can see, we drag it out from the bottom to the top, right? Previous high or high. And our golden zone is about 0.5 to 0.618. That is where your first TP is going to be, right? If you're selling. But here, I'll be a little more precise. This is where my support zone is, right? I drew. I'm going to take my first TP there. If it breaks through the support zone, I'm going to take my second TP at a second resistance or a second support, aka another liquidity down here. And if it breaks through this zone, I'm going to be taking my third TP all the way down here. So yeah, that's how I decide where I take my TPs. It's fairly easy to learn, I think. If you like, you know, spend enough time on the charts, right, and you see how price moves, it would actually it'll make sense to you. You know, it will come to second nature to you. And how I set my stop loss on this trade is that, as we can see here, we are in a lower time downtrend, right? AKA the 30-minute downtrend, and we have a previous high up here. If it does break this high, means that we're no longer going to be in a downtrend. So I set my stop loss above this high, so that if it does break through, we're not going to be dragged out of this. Our stop loss is not going to be dragged up, and we're going to save our account so that we can find other orders. I'm looking for sells here. I'm very sell biased right now because, you know, we are in a downtrend right now on the lower time frames. So that is what my analysis is, guys. If you guys have any constructive criticism, feel free to say so. If you guys think otherwise, feel free to, you know, tell me what your view on my trade is and what my TP is, you know, or how I trade. Because I'm here to learn as well. In this market, you learn every day, you know. You learn every day. Like, no matter, even if you're giving signals, you're still trading, you're profitable. Take lessons out of the market, you know, every single day. Don't be arrogant, you know. Don't let your ego through the roof, right? It's like, oh, I'm profitable, though. I don't need to learn it from anybody else, you know. I'm happy to learn, yo. We are jiggling in between our entry right now. We're about, if anybody got a higher layer, about 91, that's really nice. But we're still jiggling in between our entry. In the negatives, of course. 7 pip drawdown right now. No worries. You have a 40 pip stop loss. It's chill. Don't bring emotions into trading, guys. Always just, you know, just leave emotions out of it. Detach from your account, you know. If you guys are too worried about, you know, profits and losses, or I think it will be very hard to overcome the markets, because your emotions is, like, honestly a really big factor in what you do in this trading game. So yeah, let's get it, y'all. If we hit TP1, I'm gonna be counting profits off this lowest zone here. I entered another layer up here at 91-ish, so I'm gonna be recording both. So at 90 exactly and 91. So we're gonna be taking first TP. If whoever got 91, our first TP is gonna be 40 pips. That's 1-to-1 RR. And whoever got a lower layer at 90 would have a 30 pip profit if we do, you know. We are currently in this trade, guys. Whoever isn't in this trade can enter right now. You don't gotta feel bad for missing out. If you guys aren't confident in this zone, you guys can opt out of it. When I set up TP, do I need X and Y coordinates? Smile. Stop playing. Smile. Hey. we should have never gave you the coordinate the channel name, yo. Yeah, you gotta set up longitude and latitude, you know, guys. You gotta set up the longitude and latitude.
Yes. Yes, King.
Look right here. You see these coordinates, right? The Fibonacci coordinates, right? Little bro playing too much, bro. For real.
No.
Look. One hundo. Bro, guys, this is my little piece. Smile, he's the best, yo. I love this dude so much, yo. But this dude trolling, yo. He trolling. What's up with your car? You back from the gym already? Yo, it's been that long? Holy shit. How long have I been live streaming for? I've been live for about an hour and a half. We're halfway there, y'all. Nah, man. You still at the gym? You got headphones on? I'm gymming to your voice. What the helly? Dude, that sounds so sus, bro. Yo, what the helly? That's like so sus. That's explaining why I'm a #1 fan. Yup. Bros ejaculating to the sound of my voice, yo. Guys, in 2 minutes, market opens. US session opens, guys, so get ready for volume to start kicking in. I'm ready, yo. I'm ready. I'm ready for my sell volume to kick in, y'all. This is bro is sus, bro. Sus.
Yeah.
Smile, what you doing? Did you just get back from the internship just now? How is it going? Ready. 1 minute away from US session, everybody. We're about 40 seconds away. Alright, I think so. Nice. That's good. Take a rest, bro. You know, you don't gotta you don't gotta watch me, bro. I'm a little shy. I'd be a little shy, bro. Take a chill pill. Okay, we're 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds away from US session open. US session officially open. Oh my god, the candle just teleported. Alright, let's see how the volume kicks in, yo. Let's see what direction gold wants to move right now. I'm still a sell bias right now, so let's see how it goes. Gold is flying a little bit, but no worries, guys. We're chilling. We're chilling. Rejection off that top right there. Is at the end of our zone. Whoever still does not have a layer and a 200-point stop loss or 20 pip stop loss can enter right now. This is literally a pretty good trade, I guess. I have a layer down at 90 and 91, so don't worry, guys. I'm confident in this trade, guys. Very confident. If it does hit SL, then that's okay. It's according to plan. We're just gonna go to the next setup and move on. Take a chill pill. Like I said, detach from your account. You know, your balance in your account. Don't let it affect you how you trade. If you let it hold a hand over you, right? Then you it's gonna be hard for you to take over the markets, yo, for sure. It's jiggling at the end of our zone right now, guys. Because our zone is sexy right now. Too sexy. We're diamonds spaghetti. You feel? Back to the 1 minute. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Shit. Okay, let me just. Where did I enter? 90. Okay, there we go. All right. Whoever got at the candle at the end of the zone should be in profits right now, but we're still holding, guys. Let's be patient. Market just opened. Volume has been kicking in. Let's just chill. Let's chill. Lacom trading today. I'm trying to be nonchalant, guys, today. Usually I'm more of a emotional type of dude, right? I'd be like damn. But like I've been told that I should be more nonchalant, you know? So yeah. I've been told. I've been broke so many times I don't know what to believe. You know what I mean? What type of music do you guys like? Random question. I fuck with R&B, you know, Tory Lanez, Party Next Door. A lot of rap music too, you know. Main order in blues. Yeah. From the higher layers. It's good. It's good. Let's see how well our 30-minute zone handles this and our lower time frame downtrend. Let's check the stochastic, as a matter of fact. Let's see how it is. Why the hell did two of them popped out? Lead panel. Okay, we are oversold, almost oversold. Oversold on the 4 minute, or overbought, sorry. Overbought. Excuse me, my fault. We're on the way to being overbought. And this has been overbought for the past how many days? 4 days. So let's hold this order, guys. We chill. No need to worry. If it hits SL, it's SL. If it hit TP, that's a W day. That's a W for us. 5 minute is overbought. 15 minute is overbought. 1 minute is like jiggling in between overbought and regular. So I keep saying oversold. I don't know why. Because I'm in sales, my brain be registering it as selling. So I be saying oversold, but it's overbought. Overbought means selling. No, overbought means we need to sell. My fault. After this live stream, I need to go out and edit a really nice video that I have popped up in my mind. I have crazy content ideas, you know, guys. It's like hella funny. But of course, I'm gonna be posting educational videos as well, not just stupid, you know, like and scroll. I need you guys, you know, I need people to pay attention, you know, to what we post. So yeah. It's jiggling between our at the end of our zone. Don't worry, guys. Let's just wait.
No.
Patience is the key to success. Almost at our SL, but it's chill, guys. Nonchalant mode.
Oh, my game crashed.
Does gold want to move up or down? Are we gonna be liquidated or not? Let's see, guys. Let's see.
True. Yeah, no, I was just.
Hey, guys, this order has tapped our SL, I think. Exactly at our SL. This is a negative trade for us, unfortunately. SL has been hit.
I'll continue making my
No worries. It's chill. First order is 17 pips. Order 2 minus 40 pips from the highest or from the lowest layer. So this is what? 41. Why is there 2 ticks here? Alright, let's find a new zone. Don't worry, guys. Even if it SLs, we are chilling. We're gonna find new opportunities in the market, guys. No problem, no worries, no Diddy. Sorry, what? Let's see if gold wants to break out of this structure. By the way, if it does, we might be looking for a follow buy here. There is news in 22 minutes, by the way, guys. So I might. Who knows if I might? Let's see how gold wants to move. Maybe I'll wait for the news volume to pass by first. Then I will be entering the market again.
What?
Unless you guys want to have a separate war account and trade news.
What? I can go anymore. Do you want stone or cobblestone?
All right, let's see.
Yeah, I have 2 pickaxes.
Second order is unfortunately an stop loss. So
2?
with Jerome Powell's speech coming up, aren't you waiting for the news impact first, or are you purely following the technicals? Right now, I'm following technicals. Like I said, I will see if I want to wait for news volume to pass by, because, of course, we are basically waiting for the number that he announces to come out, right? See where gold wants to fall, wants to go up or down. Right now we are basically just getting a little profits before he actually speaks, right, at 7:30 p.m.
So stone,
Or
right?
I don't know what time yours is, right? Black Pomeranian. I don't know what time zone you're in,
I am.
but usually in this channel we do close trades before
At least.
a news session.
2.
But if we do have like analysis that news is like positive for gold or negative for gold, we will be, you know, trading it. But if it's a speech like this, it is uncertain. So yeah.
Okay, where's my shovel? Alright, you have it.
Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. I was thinking about waiting for a follow by signal, right? Let's see if gold wants to close above this high, by the way, on the 30-minute time frame
What?
in about 20 minutes.
I don't know.
So let's see. Unless this high has been liquidity, a liquidity sweep. Oh, sorry, excuse me, guys. Unless this little high has been a short liquidity sweep, then this is just quite unlucky for us.
No.
But no worries. It's chill. We're not gonna be sad that we missed out on profits. We're just gonna find new opportunity and re-enter the market, right, guys? Yo, we're at 439 subs. One more is 440. I have like a really bad, like OCD.
Okay, so how much
So let's hope that. Oh wait, no, we're at 441 now. What the? Wait, I'm actually tweaking.
I got
All right, let's get back on the graph,
Come
yo.
back now. Come back. Come back now.
Seems like my analysis currently was wrong where gold wants to move. Let's see if it wants to move upwards.
So stone, right?
This resistance zone. Oh, excuse me, guys. Oh, it is becoming a support zone. If it does break through,
Here.
maybe you can look for a little scalp before Powell speaks and the news volume kicks in.
1 second. Oh my god. Thank you for letting me know.
Yo, Mr. Black Pomeranian, how long have you been trading so far?
Spider.
Are you curious about like our technique and stuff? How we trade?
Sleeping through the night.
Excuse me. Oh my god, I literally yawned 3 times in a row, guys. That's crazy.
Going. God.
Oh, let me get a X emoji. X emoji. So that I can
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
show that. Let's be transparent. This is another resistance zone up here, guys. This liquidity. So of course there's gonna be slight rejection. If it does reject down to here, maybe we can buy and break out of this completely.
Dude, you said you wanted stone.
But I need to wait for confirmation first.
Did you trust?
Like, if this closes above,
Here, you know what? Here, I'll take the red.
come down and shoots even higher, creating a higher high, this will be a good sniper entry for us. Let's see though. Let's wait.
No.
In the meantime, if anybody hasn't joined the Telegram and want recovery trades or good trades, then please join the Telegram. Just scan the bottom right. No worries.
I only have Polish at site.
It's free. Just go ahead. Unless you guys want me to share the link in the YouTube chat, I'll go ahead and do that for you guys. Somebody's driving across my house with really loud speakers. What the hell? Hope you guys didn't hear that. Wait, hold on. Let me change the color of my microphone. Purple is a little too sus. Yo, red. Actually, no, red is not nice. Green. Yeah, that's cool. Today's overall profit loss is 23 pips or negative 23 pips. We're gonna find another zone here.
I have 2 pickaxes. One is 14.
Yeah, we'll be following by now. Yeah, yeah. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm
Bullish
gonna
is
go slow with
forming
candles.
right now.
Back
It
and forth.
seems on the 1 minute it already broke structure, but if we really want like super confirmation, is
There's
that
like
I'm gonna be waiting for
a diamond sword that's like
price to
holding the
basically
candle.
close up here because the wick has it closed, but like I want it to close higher. 15 minute has closed above this high here.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the
Yep.
elevator and get some news rod.
News is at
Oh,
7 p.m., 7:30, and 9 p.m. We'll be seeing if it comes down here. Maybe we'll clash the news volume, but right now volume has died out after that one big move. So let's see, guys. For whoever who has a small portfolio, a small account, I do not suggest trading news because news volume is very like harsh towards small accounts. Big accounts should have no problem lowering their lot sizes to compensate for its volatility. But unfortunately, lower account sizes do not have that luxury, so I do not recommend trading it at all. But as we can see, we have pushed above this high, confirming a little change in character again.
I saw another fortune around here.
So gonna be marking that out. What the hell? Did I draw this line? I did not draw that line. I can never draw this thing straight, yo, for real. Is that straight? There we go. Alright. Let's look for a zone that we can retest here and follow by. Because, of course, we're always going to follow the markets. We're not going to go against it.
True. I found fortress. Okay, I found the fortress that I saw. Yeah, actually.
Yeah, gold volume has died out. Hopefully in 20 minutes or in 12 minutes, volume kicks back in and we come back in it.
Yeah.
Mm-mm-mm. Though I literally bit the inside of my mouth and now I have like a little unfortunate
For you though.
uh like cheek cut inside. It feels really uncomfortable, but whatever.
Tay.
All right, let's wait for this next trade, guys. Be patient. Right now we cannot do anything with the graph. I do want to look for follow buys. I'm not sure if selling up here would be too ideal because it is quite risky. With 11 minutes left in the timer for the news, it's quite risky, guys. So let's wait. Going to wait. Uh, where is that number? Mm-mm. Guys, am I blind or is like? Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. Let's wait for a follow by opportunity here.
You get like a regular this from if a creeper is killed by
I'm looking for follow bys down here at 91, but we can possibly actually try scalping at 94 because it is, of course, this is a resistance at the change of character, right? And since we broke through it, our ceiling becomes a low floor.
hit a creeper until
So
it's
yeah,
low, and then you find a
let's see how it goes. Where is my phone charger? My phone is on 1%. I totally forgot to charge it.
give him a what? Start with what?
We're looking for how do you deal with how do you deal it when your trade hits SL? Did you take a trade with me just now? Because like I said earlier, if it hits SL, it's according to plan. No worries. If it doesn't hit SL, that's great. It's also according to plan. So basically, you're gonna have the same emotions when it hits TP and SL. Like I said, you gotta detach from your account. You gotta completely basically completely detach from what you know what feeling you have when you click sell or buy. You know what I mean? Because as you know, right? Trading is all about analysis. You don't just get into the market buy or sell because you feel like it. Look, I'm not gonna be like, oh, gold is moving up like crazy. I'm gonna sell up here because it went up so far. I think I want to sell here, right? Nah, I think you gotta be a little. We're using reasons, right? If the reasons fail, it's okay. Literally, just go next. Wait for the next setup. The market always presents you with opportunity. If you control your emotions enough, you literally are gonna be able to stay in this market for like a long while. At least that's what I think, right? Because before I used to hold a lot of emotions with trading, especially the profit side. When I see profits, right, I keep trading again and again and again, thinking that I'll always be winning. And then when you have one losing day, you end up blowing the account because you just can't deal with it, right? If you can deal with having profits, it's okay to take one losing day and walk away from the graph. You feel? That's in my opinion. Just I wasn't in that trade. Just wanted to see how it went for you, Cup. Yeah, you see. I mean, you saw the way I was looking, right? I literally said it's all according to plan. No worries if this is SL. Even though I gave out the signal, right? I shouldn't be too emotional because I gave other people the signals too, which means they also hit their SLs, right? Uh, if that is so, it is okay because we all know that trading is a business that takes a while to master, right? And we have a strategy that we all follow that is not 100% win rate. Nothing is 100% in the trading game. So if you accept that, then, and if you know that, how to adapt your strategy to how to make sure that in the end of the day or end of the week you're going to be up, then that's it.
True.
So yeah.
True and real.
It's chill, guys.
That's true and real, by the way.
From our buy order down here, sniper buy order, by the way, guys. But it was a little scalping, so I only took one take profit. Unfortunate that I did not anticipate this move. But it's okay, guys. We will be waiting to follow sell. In 3 minutes, Powell speaks, guys. Let's see how the graph reacts.
What?
Is it gonna fly or is it gonna come down?
So Anthony, meet us.
Guys, if it flies, it might hit our our sell limit up here at 3409. We set this sell limit all the way since the morning, so yeah.
Wait, let me start reading.
Follow buy or sell. We are following buy, Guyver.
Alright. I'll be back.
My G. You told us that, yo. You know it. We are following buy, guys. I'm gonna say it again. We are following buy. We are never gonna go against the market. Yes, sir. The sell limit is still about 90 pips away. That is quite a far while away. So, sorry, let me get some water in my system.
Okay, so you need soul sand and coal and stick. So it's basically like the same thing as a stick, torch, but you need soul sand.
If the volume on the buy is a little bit too much, guys, we're going to be removing the SL or sell limit, right? And we're gonna look for zones to follow by. If I were to actually follow by, I would want the graph to come down and get me down here at 94. But that is still 60 pips away also as well. So we'll see. Let me look at the graph a little bit. Okay. You can see here a major resistance up here because both prices in the 1 hour failed to tap above it. So we can mark that out. Let's see if price rejects off of it and comes down. Just now I did say follow sell, but it broke structure up to the top, bruh. Look, I mean, it not broke structure. Sorry, it changed character. Excuse me. So of course, if something like that happens, we gotta adapt our strategy and follow the markets, right? We're not gonna look at a narrow zone, a narrow vision, guys. Powell speaks right now. News volume is kicking in. Let's see. Is the number gonna be higher than expected or lower? Okay, we have a strong resistance off this zone up here. News is in right now, guys. So let's see. Let's see how the graph reacts. Let's see how gold reacts.
Alright, so you want
I have feelings that it's just gonna continue flying up, yo. Let's see though. I can never be too sure. I'm not one of the market movers, so
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
gold
Is
is
red
not
wood?
moving right now.
Is red wood? It's like the red wood. Here, I'll get like. I have the other red wood. The mangrove. These are called crimson wood. Here, wait.
Let me see. Let me look at something real quick. Whoa. Okay, guys. News is in, by the way, but gold is not moving anywhere, which is a little bit weird.
You also need some.
But we'll see, guys. We'll see how it goes.
Shroom lights.
Oh, there we go. A little rejection off the top here.
It's like a here, wait. It's like glowstone. You know what glowstone is?
Here we go. Here we go.
You want me to get some of that? Oh yeah, sure.
Is it gonna break through the zone completely or not? Let's see.
What? Guys, that wasn't very appropriate. Yeah. Good. For what? Oh,
All that for a
can't never not have enough, right?
30 pip move.
Can't not have enough. Cause I was clearing a I was no.
Okay, gold. Show me where you want to go so that I can take a trade. Because right now gold does not know where it wants to go. That's for sure. We got a doji candle. We got almost a second one. We got a down move. Let's see if he wants to come down, yo. Usually after a doji candle, this silence feels intense. Background music would be nice. Lamau. I could do that. I mean, I don't want to get DCA'd though. DMCA'd. I could try getting you background music. I don't know. I just like put up some lo-fi music. Minus 500 prime. Okay, bro. Well, you want me to just pull up some lo-fi music, non-copyright? If I could, I would literally just pull up my Spotify right now. I should have done that from the start, actually. We have a background music in the Discord. Yeah, we do. Same one.
Have a what?
Okay, hold on.
You don't have a what? Hippo? Why the fuck you want hippo?
Let me look at it.
Yeah, here's hippo.
Oh, yeah, I see it. You know what? I'm gonna just pull up my YouTube and write the same title, yo. 12 hours of the MCA lo-fi music. If that's what you guys want. Yeah, this one, right?
All right, team, we're transitioning
Okay,
to
bro. Yo, I'm not allowed to show that, guys.
Oh no, I didn't.
I don't have YouTube Premium.
Here's the stuff for
Yo, what the flip, yo?
Freedom. It's a giant open universe where you can do whatever you want. You can have really relaxed, slow-paced stuff where you can take it easy. Or you could be on the edge of your seat, shaking.
Just buy it on our account, bro. The Far Side SideQuest account. This is a little too loud, yo. Okay. I mean, I don't really need YouTube Premium, cause like, I'm not really that type to watch YouTube. You know, I'm like, I'm low-key retarded, bro. I watch shorts. So we can use personal. I mean, it's up to you, bro. I don't mind. If you think I need it, then I guess I'll get it. Cause I do need YouTube. I do watch some YouTube for like content ideas and stuff too. So yeah. Looks like news volume right now is a little bit disappointing. Should I test sell up here? If it retraces, we could find hold on, let me find a like a closer zone. It is, bro. It is profits, you know, every week. And YT Premium, how much is it per month anyways, bro? It's like barely anything. It's like 200 baht, 300 baht. $20 something. Word. That's chill. Nah, low key. Oh wait, no, we already have Cat Cut Premium. I was gonna say we gotta renew it, you know, but never mind.
you just walk around. You'll be fine.
Doing some. Let me look at the graph for you guys a little bit here. I'm deciding whether if we should take a little scalp sell right now. But looking at how the graph is moving, I don't think so. Yeah, see? I think I want to wait for the graph to come down and get me. Maybe we'll scalp buy down here. Maybe we'll wait for the lower one down here and the lowest one down here, because follow or selling right now is a little bit risky, so I don't want to do anything crazy. Yep. Yeah, if I told you guys to sell, right, we would have hit SL, so. Oh. Buy volume is confirmed that we should follow buy all the time right now. Alright. Resistance becomes, it broke out of here. This sell limit seems a little risky because of the way gold is moving right now, guys. Our DZV sell zone is all the way up at 18. That should be in time for when the volume runs out, so let's see. Because our DZV zone, it usually loses to news volume whenever it reaches it closely, but the volume does disappear after a while, right? Of course, you know, news is not 24/7, right? And the time it takes to reach up there was at 130 pips. It'll probably be like, you know, since we got a bullish market right now. If it comes down and get us, we are going to be scalp selling, or sorry, not scalp selling, excuse me, scalp buying. Not even scalp buying, we're not even gonna scalp buy, we're just gonna buy. Okay, I'm gonna wait for my zone down here at 99 ish, 99 to 98. I'm not sure if the zone up here is gonna be able to hold it exactly because it hasn't closed too much above it yet. So I'm gonna be waiting to follow by this bullish market right now. Yo. Alright. Let's see if the market comes down and get us. Our third order will be up down here, 99. First TP at 403. 40 pips. With a stop loss below liquidity here at 97.5. Order 3. Oh my god, I can't type, bro. Follow by. At 3399. SL at 337.5. 3397.5. TP1. 43. Second TP is gonna be 409. We could. This zone is pretty big too. We could look to like extend the zone a little bit. 9.9 to 9.8. Possibly all the way down at 9.6, right? This imbalance created, right? 3.96. I think I want to move. I want to change the order to be pretty big order. I think a short order would be too risky for us, or else we're gonna get liquidated and miss out. Let's narrow it down a little bit. Supply zone is at 9.9. Okay. This is going to be our order, our follow by order, guys. TP2 is 3409 here, and TP3 is going to be all the way up at 17.7. Let's wait for gold to come back and get us, yo. 50 pip range, guys. Make sure you guys risk manage also, because this zone is quite large. During this session, US session, we're gonna be taking large zones, right? We're not really gonna be trading scalping, right? Unlike Asia session. So yeah. This is going to be our follow by. So our highest layer is going to be at 3399, guys. Our lowest layer will be 9.6 at the bottom of this imbalance, almost. And our SL is at 9.4 below this support. If anybody has questions on why we're taking this trade, feel free to ask. But I've told you guys that we are in a bullish bias right now. Price hasn't pushed past this little support zone yet, or little thing yet, too much. So we're gonna be waiting to buy down here at this little support, right? And we're gonna put our SL down here at 94. Let's see, guys. We changed character. We're gonna wait for the graph to come down and get us, and move up to the top side. Let's see how it moves, guys. Just chill, patience. We're gonna be calm. We're gonna be patient. We're not gonna be too in a hurry to take any trade. Cause because we broke up here out of this resistance, right? It becomes a throwback zone. I would have told you guys to buy up here at around like 403 to 40400, but I feel like the zone is a little bit too iffy because it hasn't broken out of it completely. So price might want to come down and retrace before it breaks out of it completely. So let's see, guys. It is still it's still look a little long candle wick here. Let's see. We have a big imbalance to fill here. Let's see how this trade plays out, guys. We were almost at our entry, about 30 pips away. I'm quite hungry right now, guys. I think this might be the last order for the live stream. $3.99. First TP at 03. 40 pips. All right. Let's get it, y'all. Let's see if price can come down and get us before it flies up, because I'm pretty confident that it's gonna fly up too with this crazy bullish bias right now that we got. So let's see, guys. My bad for coughing into the microphone. I don't know why my throat is acting up right now. All right, I'm ready to enter this this order very soon, guys. We're still 40 pips away from our entry, but it's all cool. Let's hope gold does not fly away from our zone before it comes and gets us, because I was looking for a better entry than our little retrace support zone up here at like 401-ish maybe. So yeah, let's see if it comes down and gets us. Lowest it came down was like 10 pips away from our order. Ooh, we were so close. It's okay, let's be patient, guys. If it does go higher, guys, I will be following by at a different zone. I will be removing the sell limit up here too as well. Where's the sell limit? Where did it go? Yeah, I removed it. Okay. All right, let's wait. If it pushes higher and does not come down and get us at this area here, I'm going to be looking for a follow by at a higher zone. So no worries, guys. We have orders always. Let's see if it retraces for us. I think let's have our first TPB 1-to-1 RR. I think our 403 is too close. 404. Yeah. That's good. Alright. Let's wait for this zone to be tapped. We've only had 2 orders so far in this live stream, guys. So, because earlier gold was sidewaysing quite a bit. So yeah. Let's see. Our first order was a little bit scalp buy down here. Unfortunately, we only took 1 take profit. If we did keep holding, right, we would have had crazy profits, but it's fine. We took about 20 pips off that trade. Our second trade was a sell down here at the resistance and a stop loss up here at the change of structure, previous high, that has now been absolutely busted through. So we lost that trade. That's negative 40 pips, but that's okay. Right now we are down about 23 pips in this live stream alone, which is pretty chill. It ain't that deep. Like I said, you know, we shouldn't be too attached to our, you know, our account. With the right MM, 1 or 2 losses should not affect your account too much, unless it's like 5-10 losses in a row. I suggest after 3 losses you should just walk away from the graph. But as traders that do live stream, we are, you know, if our strategy completely doesn't work in a day, right? There was one day that it was like that, you know. We just stopped trading and came to live stream and just started talking and having fun. So, yep. For this follow by, I was looking at a higher zone, but of course, like the SL would be a little bit far. But it seems like it did only tap our higher zone and continue flying up. But it's okay, guys. We're gonna wait for we're gonna be patient. We're not gonna have FOMO and absolutely, you know, go ballistic. What's according to plan is according to plan. All right. Gold is up, up, up. $200 pips from the bottom here. Damn. Okay guys, if this candle closes above 409, I'm gonna be looking for another follow by down up here. Oops, sorry, wrong color. About 405. Yeah. I'm gonna be removing this limit completely because it seems like gold wants to push higher, so we gotta move our zone up a little bit. It seems like if it pushes any higher, it's not gonna come down and get us down here, all the way down here. It's a whole 100 pips, so we're gonna look for a little zone down here. Order 3 will be following by at about 405. Yeah, 405-ish. Alright, 405. And so at 400 and our first TP. Let's see how what high is created, then we can decide on our TP. If it comes down immediately from this high, we're gonna be taking our first TP at this high. We canceled our sell limit up here at 3409, by the way, because our buy volume is a little bit crazy. Alright, we're only going to be holding our DZV sales positions up here. We're going to wait for a follow buy down at 405. And then our first TP is going to be 434-110 to at the DZV zone 3417. Buy volume is insane, guys. It tapped our demand zone down here and absolutely flew up by a lot. 100 pips. I should not have been greedy up here because it is a big zone, right? I should have just honestly, it was if we entered up here at 401-ish to 400 with an SO of 94, it would have been a 60 pip stop loss. It would have been fine, but I wanted to come down a little bit more to like 399. That's why I told you guys to buy, or told our follow buy order 3 would be at 399, but that's okay. We're gonna be looking for a higher zone here, higher, so no need to worry. I'm not bummed out that we missed out on this trade. Let's make our own opportunity here. Well, not exactly. Let's find another opportunity here. There's about 0 sell pressure right now, so let's see if gold wants to come down and get us. Good thing we are able to tell everybody that we are removing the sell limit. Because selling at the zone with 0 sell pressure is a big no-no. Well, we're obviously overbought on every single time frame, you know, with this big market move. So, oh, what the hell? Oops. Maybe at 9:30. Yeah. We'll see. We might not be here for I might not be here in time for 9:30 session. That is still an hour and a half away. But if you are in the Telegram, we will give you guys instructions and, you know, possible orders to follow. So yeah, stay tuned, yo. Mr. Cohen. It's chill, it's chill. Today trading should not be rushed, yo. Your EST. The news comes out at 9 p.m. No? Not 9:30? Yeah, Eastern Standard Time, right? It's still in an hour. The gold is absolutely just flying up. There's 0 sell pressure at, like, barely. There's maybe this is a doji candle, another doji candle. It's gonna move up, which means it's gonna continue moving up. This means that it's 0 pressure on anything, because doji candle and an immediate big green candle close above means that there's 0 sell pressure. But buying up here at the top is like a little bit sus. So I do want the graph to come down a little bit, and then we can find a premium price to buy at. So yeah, we'll see you guys. I'm a little sleepy because I've had like a couple hours of sleep. After this, I'm probably just gonna... Oh, wait. My order has disappeared from the screen. What the hell? Wait, what? Where did my order go? M. Even a higher buy zone doesn't seem plausible right now. Who knows? It might even. Who knows if it might even come down, yo. Let's see. Gabber will be, yeah, for sure. It's just that right now he's at the gym, so no worries, bro. He was here in the morning. I wasn't. I'm here at the night. He isn't. It's like a little, you know, tag team type tournament, you know. Because live streaming 9 hours a day is hard to manage, you know, when you are trying to do other things too. So don't worry about it. Tonight, 1 to 4 a.m. we will be living together in Thai. So it's gonna be chill. We're gonna go live at 1 to 4 and 5 to 8 a.m. by the way. So, yeah. That's what's up. Okay, gold is finally having some cell power, which is a good sign, so that we can find a good place. We're not streaming separately now. No. It's just for today, I guess. This morning I woke up late. That's it. You know, that's the whole reason why I wasn't there in the morning. And today he was knocked out because, you know, of course he had to take the morning workload. So he woke up at about 5, right? And now he's at the gym. So when he gets home, he's gonna be eating food, of course, and da right? Yeah, basically. Just trying to, you know, make sure that we're not spending too much time on the graph and actually living healthy lives, you know, because it's a little dangerous when we're, you know, especially when we're trying to live 1 to 4 a.m. and 5 to 8, you know. Sleep schedule is in the morning, of course. Yeah. I have not ate dinner yet, so after this live stream, of course, I'm gonna go I got the munchies right now, y'all. Okay, guys, get ready to follow by here. Let's see how well gold wants to retrace. Yeah, we sleep like we're in the US time zone, but we're in Thailand. Exactly, bruh. If we were in the US time zone, the only time... Yeah, it'd be like normals, right? We'd be streaming, what, 6 to 9 in the morning? 1 to 4 p.m. And about 5 to 8 p.m. But we are unfortunately in Thailand. Trading times is not ideal for us, so... Haha. Especially because US session has all the volume, right? Yeah, we're trying to be healthy and live stream 9 hours a day. At first it was gonna be 2 times, but we realized that we gotta lock in, you know. We gotta bring our channel out there. You know what I mean? So it went from 2 times to 3 times basically. But we're happy to do it, yo. We're happy to do it. We just gotta find, you know, ways to work-life balance. You know what I mean? And since we're 2 coaches, right, in the same channel, we're able to do that a little bit. So yeah. Come on, gold. I know you want to come down at our 0.5 price. Lowest it got was 0.8.5 and came up 40 pips. Big moves right now, guys. Big moves. As long as we're happy, that's all that matters. Yeah. We're really happy to be, you know, be able to do this and chit-chatting with you guys, you know. Glad for you, bro. Yo, I'm glad you here, bro. Hey. Don't but just be happy for us, bro. We show each other love, you know. What the other coaches say. What did they say? Give and take? Yeah, something like that. I don't know. Something about returning the favor, you know. So let's hope that I give you guys more profits today in the nighttime live stream of scalping. Today has been quite slow because I'm trying to find a good discount price for you guys to follow by, but you know, I realized earlier that I've been saying premium all the time, whether it's follow sell or follow buy, but you know, I forget that there's terms for it, you know. Lower price means discount, right? I just been saying premium, good price. All right, let's go, guys. Let's get a good follow buy order. First, TP and SLB 1-to-1 RR. TP2 would be quite far, but I will probably give you guys instructions if it is above like this previous high, or maybe to trail your stop to TP1, so we can still secure profits. That is basically our strategy. We love here. We don't really like just setting break even and waiting for the TP. We like to trail our stop so we can still bag our profits instead of just waiting for it to come down and hit break even, you know. So this is crazy. Still trying to find a follow by price. Well, no, we found it, but now we just gotta wait for the graph. We gotta be patient, yo. No order, no problem, guys. Still opportunities in the market. If you guys don't get an order today, you guys don't have to make profits every day, you know. As long as you guys don't lose in the market, that's what matters. In the morning, we bagged about 190 pips. In between sessions, we did lose that one trade, minus 30. And in this live stream, we are about negative 20, 23. If I go to the recap, where's my recap? What's that? Yeah, negative 23. So unfortunate, but it's okay, guys. It's 23 pips. Isn't that bad. If with the right MM, hey, this should affect nothing. It shouldn't even be 1% of your account. I'm gonna be honest. So gotta go for now. Morning's the only time I get to catch your stream. Talk to you tomorrow morning. Take care, bro. Yeah, you too, bro. Hey, go sleep, take that rest, eat that food, take care of your housework, your life, you know what I mean? I'll see you tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. ไว้เจอกันพรุ่งนี้เช้าครับใช่ครับครับผมเจอกันพรุ่งนี้เช้านะครับ I will see you later alligator Usually people would stream for this long and get orders, but like, you know, since gold is just moving one side, right? It's quite hard to find a good zone. This is one of them zones, right? A pullback or a throwback, sorry. So let's see if we are able to catch a retrace here. Seems as though gold doesn't want to move past this, so if it does move past it, maybe we can follow by up here, but like we have our DZV zone that is up here as well. We have not removed the sell limit yet. So DZV is one of our indicators that is based off our strategy. This zone is pretty big. It's about, but like the take profits are also pretty big as well. It takes long time to reach and also a long time to take profit, but it has about a 67% win rate, this indicator. So honestly, if you guys are too busy to sit on the graph, you guys can honestly just have this indicator. Wake up every morning at about 6 o'clock in the morning. Look at the zones, because it resets every morning, right? You know, according to, you know, the zones, right? And then after that, just set your sell limits, your buy limits, and that's it. Literally, you don't even have to do anything. So yeah, that's what's up. This indicator is pretty chill, guys. It's one of our options in the community as well. We do give this indicator out for free to whoever is interested. So yeah. Okay. Is this music chill, guys? Do you like this music? We use this in the live stream all the time, by the way. Non-DMCA, by the way. If I had the choice, I'd be playing my Spotify playlist for you guys, but you know. We cannot do that, of course, on YouTube. Volume on gold has died out yet again. But it's okay. We're still chilling. I'm noticing a zone here that could be a possible follow by up here at 410. But I don't see any negative rejections right now, any sell volume where it seems like we would get caught or we would get a order over there. So even there's no rejection up there, so right now I'm just chilling and looking for confirmation to give this next order the follow by up here at 410. But right now there's no confirmation, so I will not be saying it because some people might, you know, of course, get the order. So if it keeps flying up, we might be fighting this zone or this order at our DZV zone. DZV, whatever you guys want to say it, at 418. It's about 30 pips away. If it does come and get us or down here, we will be following buying. So let's see, guys. Let's see. I gotta draw a new trend line, yo. Let me just get this out. Bang. Boom. All right. Let's get it, y'all. Let's see if later in the live we got, you know, our returning viewers as well. Because there was none of our coaches in the committee do live at 1 to 4, and we have the Zoom call too from 1 to 4 on our Discord, our VIP Zoom, so that because, you know, on YouTube we have a little bit of a delay. So yeah. Let me answer some DMs real quick, guys. You guys can listen to the music. I'm checking whether my my new camera has arrived yet, and also Coach Guyver's new setup, because we both ordered it at the same time, but we might get it differently, you know. So I wanna be able to set up the new setup at the same time, so that we can have like a little like sudden change, you know, both of us at the same time. That'd be like on some nonchalant shit. That'd be pretty cool. You guys, you know what I mean? Because like if one person gets their camera that's like next level quality and another does not, then it'll be kind of weird, right? So this camera did say 25th, which is really late for some whatever reason. So we'll see, guys. Okay. Okay, it seems like Gold does not want to come down and give us a discount so that we can buy up to follow. Let's fight this buy volume at our DZV zone. It is quite a large zone, by the way, guys. We have given the sell limit in the Discord or in the Telegram, 418 to 422. DZV zone is gonna be given to you guys by the coaches every morning. One of our coaches is gonna wake up every morning to give it to you guys, right? SL's at 25, so this is about a 70 pip SL. From the highest layer. 25. But there. And our first TP is at 13. Down here. So from the highest layer it's 50 points. 50 pips, sorry. TP2 is at 08. About 100 pips. So we're close to the zone. If you guys want to enter, go ahead. If you guys want to wait for a higher layer, this DZV zone is very big, guys. Instant rejection off the zone, by the way, guys. I have my limit set since the morning, by the way. So we'll see. If you guys have your limit set, I'm going to be removing order number 3 because it is impossible right now. So we'll see, guys. All right. It tapped our zone and an immediate rejection downwards of 30 pips. We'll see how this trade plays out, guys. All right. Okay, guys, we have given you the sell limit. No more. I think we are unable to give you guys follow buy orders because no zones have been created for us to honestly follow buy except for that one down here. This demand zone that I have unfortunately been a little bit too greedy to enter. I was gonna enter at 401, but I decided to enter at 399 or 399, and it flew up without me and hit all 3 TPs. So we will be holding the sell limit. This is our DZV zone, which is our indicator, guys. And I will be getting off the stream. I hope you guys have a good night. We will be back in a couple hours. Me and Guyver at the same time, of course. Me, both our coaches. In about 4.5 hours, guys. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys at that live stream at 1 a.m., guys. Peace. Hope you guys are patient enough to hold. And yeah.